asking you these questions, and it's like, this is overwhelming. Everyone is on their own journey, their own timeline.
Yeah.
For me, I want to make it to labs 100% because I'm not done learning from these people. I have more to gain from this
Okay, it's Whomper Room.
and I have more to give to it.
And there's all the
I
Whompers.
really want to make it to labs.
With what was I made for? Here's Olivia Cooper Harris.
Alright, there's Mr. Miyagi, who has lived a entire life of pamper. And unlike Cubby and Toodle, who have had hard days and tough times, Mr. Miyagi has been a pampered boy. And he's still continuing to be a pampered boy, right, Miyagi? And Cubby is now a pampered boy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get that paw. Get that paw. You gonna get it? It's a good, handsome boy. And there she goes behind the TV.
Oh no, she didn't.
Cubby, you want to say bye? Want to say bye to everybody who stopped by to check in on you? Say bye? No? You don't like to say bye. Miyagi, you want to say bye? Say bye to everybody? You don't like to say bye either, do you? No? No? Alright everybody, thanks so much for watching. We're going to try tomorrow to get to the Paynes Prairie Lookout and see if we can film some alligators tomorrow.